How to convert correctly a datatable of integers, from Python datatable library, to pandas Dataframe. I am using Python datatable, this URL, to read a CSV file that contain only integers values. After that I convert the datatable to pandas Dataframe. At the conversion, the columns that contain only 0, 1 are considered as Boolean instead of integers. Let the following CSV file, small_csv_file_test.csv. The source code. Result. Five rows x 10 columns. Edit 1. The columns A8, A9 and A10 are not correct, I want them as integer values not Boolean. Thank you for your help.
You can just coerce every column to int 64.
You could do.
Add this code with your snippet. Output.
You can always push in the data type.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.